6:45 a.m. Anyways, I'm just having my tea and waffle. I'm having a waffle today. And just writing out kind of my to-dos for the day. So come along, let's see what happens. Okay, I've got all the collars scrubbed. I'm just letting them sit for a minute. Washing machine's filling up. Yeah, and I used I've got a little natural stain stick, enzyme. You guys, if you want to see my laundry routine and kind of like how I deal with the collars, I will leave that up in the cards, so check it out. Hey you! Is that a good breakfast? I finished getting ready for the morning and my hair is still a little bit curled from yesterday. Going with it. I was noticing the bottom of my foot was like feeling cold. I totally have 2 huge holes in the bottom of my sock. So I'm gonna look at Costco and see if they've got any more socks. I love their, like, I don't know if they're wool, I think they're just acrylic, but they're winter socks. They're so good, they're like inexpensive. Did you guys get these last year? Or maybe it was 2 years ago, I'm not sure. But I've been loving them, so I'm definitely gonna check today. Also, I mentioned the Hearth and Home collection. I think I mentioned that, yeah, when I was doing my to-do list. So I'm gonna go online real quick before I have to take the kids to school. And I'm gonna see like what they have in the collection, how much everything is, just so I'll be quicker. And then I don't know if it'll be better for me to buy in store or online. I don't know. It depends on how much they have in my store, I guess. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing a blog post on that because I'm just really excited about the collection and just decorating for the seasons this year. It's just been super fun for me. So anyways, I will link that down below in this vlog. Okay, here it is. I'm just gonna have a quick look and see what's up. I mean, I've seen some of the things, but I haven't like actually looked at pricing and which things in particular. The kitchen and dining and the home decor, that's mainly what I'm looking at. Because I feel like our living room has so many cute things, but it just doesn't have a cohesive feel. Like it's not completely done, you know what I mean? It's like I have cute little decor accents, but it doesn't have like something throughout. Ooh, that's cute. I love that wreath. Okay, should mommy get you dressed? Come here, let's get you dressed. Okay. Oh, do you have poo-poo?
No.
Do you have poo-poo already? Oh no! Okay, let's change your poo-poo first.
No.
Okay, let's try this again. Okay, you stand still?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy get you dressed super fast.
Yeah.
Okay, head first.
Yeah.
Head first, ponytail first. Get your boot. Get your boot. Can you see yourself? You look in here? Who's that? There you go.
No.
There's Missy. We made it to Target. The kids are at school. It's an ordeal getting them off. Anyways, okay, gotta get my stroller ready. Are you guys still doing this shop kick app? I'm totally still doing it. Got Starbucks gift cards. I just walk up close to Starbucks and then I got, or Starbucks. There's a Starbucks in here. Anyways, I walk up close to Target and I get points. And then if you scan different things, you can get points too, or if you purchase. But I always do the walk-in points, like free points. Okay, here's a quick little peek at Target right now.
Mama.
Looking good.
Mama.
What, baby?
Mama.
What's the matter? Missy's upset because she wants to get out and walk. And by walk, I mean run. What?
Oh.
You can't get out because you run everywhere. I know, it's a problem. Kaylee insisted on holding this rug. How cute are these? This one's a little squirrel. Home sweet home. I found it. And I really want to get some pillows. I'm thinking these ones are super cute. Don't mind my finger. Look, Missy. You see all the plates and bowls? I love this. This is so cute. Hot cocoa pot.
Coffee.
Yeah, I could put coffee in there. It says hot cocoa. Cute. And these are so nice. I love this journal too. Oh, there's so many cute goodies. I've got tons of candles and blankets. Looks like they sold out of that wreath that I really liked. Got more of a pine one. More pillows. Oh, I was wondering about this one. I would love to put, a friend of mine has been doing watercolor, and I would love to put one of her pictures in here. Like, not so Christmas themed, but I love the glass. And this, I'm assuming, yeah, hangs up like on the chain here. What's the matter, baby girl? Your Mau. Your Mau fell. I didn't notice. I'm sorry. Is that why you were crying? Oh, and then the mirror matches. Hey. This day is just non-stop. Okay, we're home for just a couple more minutes and then we gotta run back out again. I wanted to share with you guys my latest Mighty Fix. I talked about Mighty Nest and their little Mighty Fix program in my baby food recipes video. So if you're looking for some baby food recipes, check up here. I just did that one in collaboration with them. And again, I'm gonna be working with them today to show you guys this latest fix. This one is super cool. Have you guys heard of bees wrap? It's like this reusable bees, like made out of beeswax, but it's cloth. This is what the packaging looks like. I've done a DIY version of this, but I've never had like the fancy name brand stuff. Anyways, Mighty Fix, they do like a $10 a month subscription. You get to try out new natural products. They've done wool dryer balls. It came with 3 wool dryer balls. In the baby food recipes video, I showed the glass containers that we love for baby food or any kind of dipping sauces. They're glass, so they're super like eco-friendly. They're really cool. Anyways, Mighty Fix is normally 10 bucks, but since they're partnering with me on the video, they're letting me give away your first fix for 3 bucks. So I'm gonna put a link down in the description. You guys can get this exact one. So if you're starting up now, you'll get the bees wrap for 3 bucks. I'm gonna open this because like I said, I have never seen like the original bees wrap. I've only ever done like a knockoff version. Okay, let's open this up and you guys can see it too. Ooh, now this says it's not only the large size, but it's also a medium included too. Mighty Fix exclusive. Ooh, theirs is so even. Mine was a little, I'm not gonna lie, mine was a little bit uneven. It was kind of more thin on the edges with the beeswax. So we got one like this. And how you use this is basically you can put it on the top of any container. Like let's say you had a big bowl and you wanted to cover it without using plastic wrap, that single time use stuff. And you just kind of mold it with the warmth of your hands and it totally conforms to the top of the bowl. You can also use this for like cheese and stuff like that, and it keeps it from going bad. And then you can just rinse it in cool water, a little dish soap, and then you hang dry it. So cool. So I've got the large and the medium. You guys, it's 3 bucks. 3 bucks. Check it out. I don't know how much this retails for. I'll put it over here, but it's a lot more than 3 bucks. You guys, it's so cool. Maybe I'll demo this a little bit later of how I use them. But this is the ingredients are beeswax, organic cotton, so that's like the fabric, jojoba oil, and tree resin. So the ingredients are really simple, but when we did our DIY, I will say it was pretty like it took a lot of time and checking on it and going back and forth in and out of the oven. And we have a huge bag left over of like beeswax and the tree resin. So that kind of stinks. So it was a really good idea, like we could make a ton at once, but we didn't make as much as we had. But anyways, I'm really excited to give these a try, and they definitely feel better quality than the ones I made. Okay, well there's a car alarm going off, but we made it to Costco. My grandma's with me and we're gonna do some stocking up Costco shopping. There you go. We are back from Costco and I picked up Carter from school. We picked up Cameron. I don't remember if I vlogged that. Anyways, Carter's back and we're super bummed because today they're picking up all of their they're picking up all of the product and stuff from their fundraiser. And we ordered something for my dad and like they don't have his order form.
Well, so, I did give it in, and I gave her the money in the envelope they handed off to me. I don't know what happened with it. She gave me a stack more. I shouldn't have got one if I didn't return it in. I didn't return it in. I don't remember to.
Yeah, so
I did, but I don't know if I did.
They had this program where you could get like when the kids turned in their order form, if you turned in like one, you got this little stack more, like this little toy, and so all the kids wanted to like do at least one because then they get the toy. So we obviously did one because he got one, and I turned it into the teacher, and we were only planning on doing one, like one special thing for my dad, because they're super expensive.
And she said, "Are you done? Is that all you're gonna sell?" And my mom said, "Yes."
Yeah, so she asked me, she's like, "Are you guys done with selling?" And we're like, "Yes, we're just gonna do the one." So.
And then it turns out today I don't get it all.
And then our product isn't here, so it's a bummer.
It's just like she put in spot, but it's just like she threw my form away.
I don't think she threw it away.
But
I think maybe it got misplaced.
What's that mean?
I think maybe it got lost, or maybe somebody got into the forms and pulled it out. I don't know, but it's really
I don't know.
It's really stinky. It's a bummer. Your hair looks crazy. It does look a little bit crazy. Did you do it yourself?
No.
Who did it?
Yeah.
Who did it?
Nana.
Nana? Oh, Grandma Jean did it, huh?
Yeah.
Grandma Jean did do your hair. That's right.
Yeah.
Are you going to make the dinner? Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say it a little bit louder?
Oh, don't.
Oh, don't hold it. Mommy will hold it, okay?
Oh,
these crazy kids are playing dinosaur. Woo!
I look like a boat.
They make such a mess. We need to clean with me. Which dinosaur are you, Carter?
I'm a velociraptor.
Oh, of course.
I'm a velociraptor too.
Which dinosaur are you, Kaylee?
Kaylee's a velociraptor too, and Landon's a T-Rex. He's attacking
Ooh.
us.
Okay guys, the kids are all off to bed, but I wanted to show you the bees wrap and how we use it for cheese. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle there. You can use this for like sandwiches or whatever you want. And then you just kind of fold it over, and just like the warmth of your hands molds it to it. See that? Actually, this works a lot easier than the ones that we made. Okay, that's how it turned out. This works much better. Like it's staying put. The one that I made was kind of like unraveling and more sticky. So yeah, highly recommended. This was the medium size, and this is about ½ pound of cheese. So that's what it looks like. Yay, thumbs up. You guys check them out. It's like $3.